fine. This was your homework last night. 8 u squared minus 9u plus 1. Okay, so step 1 is to do what?
Take A and C.
All right, I'm multiplying my A term and my C term, which happens to be 8. So what are the factors of 8
It's gonna be
that will give me 9?
8 and
It's gonna
1.
be 8 and 1.
What signs? Has to be a negative what? 8 and a negative 1. Okay, all right, so in this case then, I'm going to just rename this as, so I have 8u squared minus 8u minus 1u plus 1, right? All I did was rename a negative 9u. Did I just rename it? Okay?
Does
so
it matter if you had said 8u squared minus 1u minus 8u
No.
plus 1? Okay.
No. Okay, so what's the next step? I'm going to put parentheses in. And then I'm going to factor. And, what do they
Are
have
they
in common?
added or subtracted or?
What do they have in common?
8u.
8u. So I'm going to have u minus 1. What do they have in common?
1.
1. Okay. And I'm going to have, how do I end up with this? Negative u. Okay, now are they going to be the same? No. So this is where it can get a little tricky. You really have to think about this. These both have to be the same. So in order for them to be the same, this had to be what?
Negative.
This has to be a negative. So a negative times what will give me a negative 1? Just the u, and then a negative times what will give me a positive 1? A negative 1. Are they now the same?
Yes.
So these match. So what are the factors?
8u
8u
minus
1 times u
I like
minus
this way
1.
better.
Okay, so whatever works for you. I have one more method to show you, and that's, okay, Stephen?
Does this way have a title?
Grouping. It's known as the grouping method, because you're just grouping them. I want you to hear the third method. Okay? Okay? Are we good for method number 2? And then you ready for number 3?